Hello Pythonistas, welcome to the course. In this course, we will look into the basic programming concepts using Python with real-time examples. Curious to find what is the programming? Then you have found a perfect place. This course perfectly suits you because I will explain the programming language in layman terms. Struck up in between somewhere of the process of learning program? No worries. This course will give you a clear idea of how to proceed and reach your goals. Are you already an expert in Python programming? Then also this course will give you a basic and different ideology of programming with the help of my explanations. My favorite quotes of Steve Jobs is stay hungry, stay foolish. As the quote goes, what I would suggest is I would invite you, the hungry brain, to join the course, and I promise there will be at least a grain of knowledge you have learned new from me. And I am Shravanti. Welcome to Basics of Python with real-time examples. Thank you.